fantastic fantasy party straight out of Wonderland. Now, this is tried, Jessica, because you did this with friends for a birthday dinner party.
I did.
It's a huge hit.
Oh my gosh, this party was so much fun, and it's a really good idea, not just for kids, because you can turn this into a dinner party. And what we did was, you'll see a full space on the table was just.
Oh, let's see it. Do we have it?
Yeah. So you can kind of see we did it.
Oh my
Black
gosh.
and white linen, so it looks like you're falling down the rabbit hole, kind of that white and black kind of zigzag kind of material.
Right.
Stuff out of the fabric store. And then, of course, you have to start with the garden. That's where the table's set, where they do the tea. But instead of tea, we
This is your house.
Yeah.
That's fabulous.
Thank you. So instead of tea, we did champagne. And then for place cards, we actually did little wine glasses with roses in them, and each person got a character. So when they sat down, they got this little character put in. So this is Tweedledee and Tweedledum.